In today's video, we'll delve into the 7 semiconductor stocks poised for growth. So before we start, if you find value in this video, please support our channel by liking and subscribing to our weekly updates. Now, let's get started. Semiconductor stocks have made a significant comeback after a rough year in 2022, where the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index, SOX, lost over 35%. 2023 saw a massive turnaround with returns of 67.13%, and it's already up 17% year-to-date as of May 15th. This volatility can be both a risk and an opportunity for investors. Today, we'll explore what semiconductor stocks are, how to invest in them, and highlight some of the best options for May 2024, based on performance, future outlook, and analyst recommendations. Many of these may turn out to be the top stocks to buy in 2024. Let's understand semiconductor stocks. Semiconductor companies manufacture chips used in a myriad of electronic devices, ranging from laptops and gaming consoles to smartphones and cars. These chips, often referred to as semis, exhibit properties that are between an insulator and a conductor, enabling them to manage and control electrical currents, sometimes blocking the flow and at other times conducting it. What are the different types of semiconductor stocks? The semiconductor ecosystem is quite diverse, with several distinct segments contributing to its complexity. According to the Gordian Knot Center for National Security Innovation at Stanford University, this ecosystem includes 7 key segments. These are chip intellectual property, IP cores, which involve designing the fundamental architectures of chips, electronic design automation, EDA tools, which are the software platforms used to design and test these chips, and specialized materials, which provide the raw materials necessary for chip production. Other segments include wafer fab equipment, WFE, essential for manufacturing semiconductor wafers, fabless chip companies that design and sell chips while outsourcing the manufacturing, integrated device manufacturers, IDMs, that handle both design and production, and chip foundries, which are the manufacturing plants producing the semiconductor wafers. Understanding these segments can help investors make more informed decisions in this dynamic industry. While some companies span multiple segments, it's crucial to understand exactly what type of semiconductor stock you are investing in. But before we proceed to the next topic of semiconductor stocks, here's a question for you. Which segment of the semiconductor industry do you think has the most growth potential? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's dive into the pros and cons of investing in semiconductor stocks. On the plus side, these stocks give you access to a high-growth industry, which means there's a lot of potential for substantial gains. The technology behind semiconductors is continuously evolving, driving demand and creating opportunities for investors. However, it's important to keep in mind that this sector is also known for its high volatility. Stock prices can swing dramatically, and not every company will come out on top. So while the rewards can be significant, the risks are something you need to consider carefully. How to invest in semiconductor stocks. As with any stock investment, thorough research is essential. Understand the company's products, business operations, earnings trends, revenue growth, price-earnings ratios, and analyst expectations. Additionally, ensure that any stock you choose aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. If market fluctuations keep you up at night, semiconductor stocks might not be the best fit due to their inherent volatility. To purchase semiconductor stocks, you need to open an account with a brokerage firm if you don't already have one. You'll provide personal and financial details such as your name, address, social security number, income, and investment experience. Once your account is funded, you can place trades either through your broker or directly on the brokerage firm's website. Top semiconductor stocks to consider. The CHIPS and Science Act, passed in 2022, was a major boost for the semiconductor industry, aiming to enhance semiconductor research, development, and production within the U.S. currently. The U.S. accounts for only about 10% of global semiconductor production, but this legislation aims to increase that share, reducing dependency on imports from Asia. This scenario presents a potentially lucrative opportunity for semiconductor stocks. Number 1. Micron Technology Incorporation, ticker MU. Micron Technology has been a key player in memory and storage solutions for over 4 decades. Recently, the company began constructing a $15 billion manufacturing facility in Idaho, which positions it to benefit significantly from the CHIPS Act. Micron stock is near its 52-week high at $124.81 as of May 14th, reflecting a rise of about 51% from the beginning of the year, when it was trading at just over $82. Analysts are bullish, with 8 out of 31 rating it a strong buy, 20 rating it a buy, and 3 suggesting holding. The average 12-month price target is $136.61, indicating potential further upside. Number 2. Global Foundries Incorporation, ticker GFS. Global Foundries is known for producing semiconductors for smart mobile devices, PCs, automotive applications, communications and data infrastructure, and IoT devices, despite a year-to-date decline of 6.22%, from $58 at the start of the year to $54.39 on May 14th. Analysts remain optimistic. Among the 15 analysts tracking the stock, 4 rated a strong buy, 5 rated a buy, and 6 recommended recommend holding. The average 12-month price target is $61.86, suggesting a potential gain of about 14%. Number 3. Broadcom Incorporation, ticker AVGO. Broadcom designs and supplies semiconductor and infrastructure software solutions across various markets, including data centers, wireless, broadband, networking, and industrial sectors. The company made headlines in May 2022 when it announced plans to acquire VMware, VMW, for $61 billion in cash and stock. Despite initial regulatory concerns, the deal closed in November 2023. Broadcom's stock closed at $1,380.03 on May 14th, up from $1,116.25 at the start of the year. Analysts have a one-year target estimate of $1,522.54, and the stock offers a forward dividend of $21, yielding 1.52%. With 10 out of 29 analysts rating it a strong buy and 17 rating it a buy, the stock remains a popular choice. Number 4. NVIDIA, ticker NVDA. NVIDIA is a dominant player in the semiconductor market, known for its exceptional performance over the past few years. The stock delivered returns of 121.93% in 2020, 125.29% in 2021, and an astounding 238.87% in 2023. It continues to impress, up nearly 100% year-to-date as of May 14, 2024. However, investors should note the stock's volatility, as it dropped 50.31% in 2022. NVIDIA's chips are essential for various applications, including automotive, gaming consoles, and generative AI. Analysts are highly positive, with a consensus strong buy rating and an average 12-month price target of $1,021.27, about 12% above current prices. Number 5. Advanced Micro Devices Incorporation, ticker AMD. Advanced Micro Devices is renowned for its technology in computing, graphics, and visualization. The company's high-end processors are used in gaming computers, graphics-intensive applications, and technical computing. Advanced Micro Devices stock has risen approximately 7% this year, from $147.41 to $153.16 as of May 14th. Analysts project an average 12-month price target of $187.08, which is roughly 22% above current levels. Number 6. Intel Corporation, ticker INTC. Intel has long been a leader in the U.S. semiconductor industry, though it has faced challenges recently. The company is transitioning from a PC-centric business model to a data-centric one to maintain its market position. Intel's stock is down about 35% year-to-date in 2024 and 30% over the past 5 years. However, this downturn could present a buying opportunity. Intel received up to $8.5 billion in direct funding from the CHIPS Act, which will help expand its domestic semiconductor production. Analysts expect the stock to reach $39.03 over the next 12 months, indicating a potential gain of about 25%. Number 7. Qualcomm Incorporation, ticker QCOM. Qualcomm is a leading innovator in wireless technology, benefiting from the growing adoption of mobile, IoT, and AI technologies. The stock has surged over 30% year-to-date and more than 85% over the past year. Although 27 analysts have a consensus price target slightly below current levels, the stock maintains a strong buy rating, suggesting potential future price target increases. As we look at the table, we observe diverse trajectories among semiconductor stocks like Micron Technology, Global Foundries, Broadcom, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, and Qualcomm. Micron Technology shows significant growth, buoyed by a strong market position and strategic facility investments. Global Foundries, despite a slight YTD decline, is backed by positive analyst sentiment. Broadcom demonstrates robust growth and strategic acquisitions, while NVIDIA continues its impressive upward trend. AMD maintains steady growth, and Intel, despite recent challenges, shows potential for a turnaround with CHIPS Act support. Qualcomm exhibits strong performance and a favorable long-term outlook. These trends offer crucial insights for investors navigating the dynamic semiconductor sector. Considering semiconductor ETFs. If you're uncertain about selecting individual semiconductor stocks, consider an exchange-traded fund, ETF, that tracks the sector. One of the largest is the iShares Semiconductor ETF SOXX, which has $12.95 billion in net assets and aims to match the performance of the ICE Semiconductor Index before fees and expenses. As a passively managed fund, it can offer some protection against volatility compared to holding individual stocks. The fund was up about 11% year-to-date as of May 14th. Is investing in semiconductor stocks a good idea? The semiconductor industry, like much of the tech sector, faced challenges during the 2022 chip shortage, but rebounded strongly in 2023 and continues to perform well in 2024. While the sector is known for its volatility, the CHIPS Act provides a favorable long-term outlook. Analysts generally agree that the industry's future is bright, given the increasing integration of semiconductors into almost every aspect of modern life. As always, investing in semiconductor stocks requires careful careful consideration of your financial goals and risk tolerance. With the right approach and thorough research, these stocks could be a valuable addition to your investment portfolio. Thank you for joining us on Simple Investing Secrets. Before we go, we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite semiconductor stock and why? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. We'll see you in the next video.